Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville in South Bay Township Libraries. Today we are going to make shower steamers. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. To begin, I'm going to combine 1 cup of baking soda with a ½ cup citric acid in a bowl and just give it a good stir until all of the lumps are gone. So that's what I'll do now, and then we'll move on to the next step. So I have my baking soda and citric acid all nice and mixed together without any lumps. What I'm going to do now is add my essential oils. If you're using 1 scent, you want to add about 30 drops, I'd say, 20 to 30. If you're using just 2, about 10 drops each. So I'll add that now and then give it a good stir in. Once my oils are mixed in, I'm going to add my witch hazel. And the witch hazel is a binding agent, and it'll also cause my mixture to expand. So I want to go very light on the witch hazel. If you have a spray bottle, that's best. You can give it between 5 to 10 sprays, mixing after each spray. I don't have one, I just have the bottle here. So I'm going to give it a little squirt and then mix after each squirt. You want your mixture to be damp, but not wet. You shouldn't be able to, squish it together and form a ball. That's too wet. So you just want it to be damp. So I'll do that all now, and then come back and put it in our mold. I am done now with all of my ingredients. So all I have left to do is to put everything in my mold. So I'm just going to spoon some out, and I want to make sure that I pack it down into the bottom of the mold. So I'll do that now. And then I can just keep filling my mold and packing it down. And I want to leave this to dry overnight until it's completely dry. And when it's done, it will look something like that. And I can put the finished product on the bottom of my shower and let the stream from the shower hit it and dissolve it. And it'll release those wonderful essential oils into the steam of the shower. For the ones that I'm not using, I want to be sure to keep them in an airtight container, and that should keep them fresh until I'm ready to use them. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.